you want a water or anything?
No, alright. Because I use some of the Ozito tools here and there, I've got a weed snipper, hedge trimmer, whatever you want to call it, already. So I had some of the batteries, and I've already got some of those here, so I use them. I thought, what the hell, why not get this lawnmower? It was cheap enough in comparison to the others on the market, so that's good. Uses the same batteries that I'm already using, so again, that's good. And the only area where I've actually got a cut, and I'll show you the area where I've got a cut, now that I'm outside, is, let me show you, is this tiny bit of grass there. So I've only got to really mow that, a little bit of that, and a tiny bit of that, which I'm not actually doing because there's no grass. So I don't have to worry about that. Everything else is blocked off and clear. So I'm fine with that. Oh, bit of a light change. But look, this is what it's come with. The lawnmower here. Oh, this is all a bit bad at the moment. But like I said, look, it came with the 4-volt battery, or 4 amp hour battery. Fast charger. It's come with the catcher, I believe. Catcher, all flimsy plastic. This is a hard plastic. The lawnmower itself, there. 2 metal bars, I'm guessing for the handle, and a couple of little pieces here, which I'm going to go through, and then I'll come back, hopefully set this up, hopefully use it. But the end result should be that. I guess you just keep tightening these until, so that's for the handles itself. These ones clipped in quite easy. These ones are a little bit tight, but they're not going anywhere. Neither is that. So everything is looking good. And with that handle there, that's it. That thing is tiny, but it also came with this, which is, I don't know where this goes. Now, let's see how this goes, because that there, we're going to cable tie this up. It came with some cable ties. So you know what? As dodgy as it seems, I'm going to cable tie that. Don't know if that's what it's for, but that's what we're using it for. Alright, that seems to be done. Attached to the back. It's light enough for me to carry in one hand. I mean, have a look at that. Alright, the battery's currently charging, but my other one appears to be full, so we're going to use the other one, and we'll see how we go. So we're going to mow this lawn. We'll check it out. All in all, I'm going to say it's pretty solid, works well, cuts the grass. I can still carry it. It is just it's very back heavy now. But I'm not going to complain. It works. The battery didn't die. It didn't lose any power. I'm happy, and the grass was slightly wet, so I mean, what more can you ask for? It works well. So I'm really happy with it. I've put it on the lowest setting too. I've dropped it right down to the floor. And yeah, done pretty good. So yeah, just this thing here is a bit, I mean, we're using cable ties to hold this cord up, but look, it's a small footprint. It works well. You start it by pushing in this button and pulling back on the lever. And it's loud, but once you're outdoors, it's not that loud. And then to turn it off, you release, and it's done. It's off now. And even if I pull this trigger, it won't do anything. Even if I push the button won't depress all the way in. So you need to press it in fully, then pull this, and it starts up. So yeah. And the battery goes in. The battery goes in the front here. Let's try this way. There we go. It used 1 bar, and this wasn't even fully charged when I used it in this. So look, I'm not going to complain for the price that it was. If you're using a small area, go for it. I just wish it was. I wish it had a bit more weight, like. But if it doesn't need the weight, I guess I've just been so used to using petrol lawnmowers my whole life that now I've come to an electric one or a battery powered one, and it's a bit different. So I'll pop this on charge now, and I've got the leaf blower here somewhere. I've got to use that. So all in all, I'm happy with it. Price that I paid was $229, and that came with the battery, the fast charger, and the actual brushless motor technology Ozito power exchange lawnmower. It's a mouthful, but without the battery and the charger, you're looking at I think it was about $199 from Bunnings, but for $229 I got an extra battery, so at least that way there if I have to do my father's yard, I've got 2 big batteries, so it's pretty good.